What is up, YouTube family? I hope each and every one of you guys is having a beautiful day. We are out with the M4 today, F82 M4. If you guys are new to the channel, go down, do me the favor, check out the videos, hit that subscribe button. Those tuning in right now, if you guys have not seen the M build, this is my 2016 F82 M4, practically full bolt-ons. We are lowered on BC coilovers, equipped with Volk Racing TE37s. We have the luminous tint all around. We got carbon bits in the front, my destroyed carbon fiber lip. Regardless of that, today we find ourselves in the back roads. You guys can see it's a beautiful, beautiful day. The sun is beaming. We have the M4 out and we are going to be ripping it down these back roads today. Now stick around if you guys want to tag along for the ride. Without further ado, we're going to hop in, warm up the beast, and get a move on with our drive today. It's been a minute since I've taken the M4 through the back roads or for a drive. Gonna let this warm up and then be on our way. Well, let's get a move on. Goes a piece of my lip. I don't know if you guys can hear the intakes, but minivan hitting the togue, or toge I would say. Hey man, the back roads are for anyone. As long as you're experienced, you respect the road, and you respect the car. That's all that matters. We got a friendly biker up ahead. We do got to respect that, you know, share the road. We will find a time and place to overpass him. Yeah, definitely not around any curve do you want to pass a biker. See? For that exact reason. That would have been my demise. We're gonna play it safe. You play it patient, you work your way around. God, my lip is done for. Oh my Lord. This thing just wants to go. I guess I would say if you plan on hitting the back roads, be sure to take your front lip off or come without one. Most of this is residential now, so it's still technically back road. Tesla out and about. Imagine all the people that live out here and have to daily routine this drive on their way to work. I wouldn't mind it one bit. Another biker. This guy's doing the dash though. Those pops, crackles, and oh man, those snap, crackle, and pops, they sound great. Like, I want to get a snap of the... You guys get an idea. Down to the final turns. to keep going and going. Like a good stretch of road to give you guys like just a full pull. But that being said though, we are back in civilization. I'm probably gonna pull over somewhere, give you guys the full rundown on the car. Honestly, it handled amazingly. It handled great. These cars I think were truly built, you know, for handling, and paired with, you know, the inline twin turbo, not only do you have handling, but you have power on demand at all times throughout the power band. That being said though, K-band's going off, coming to a red. We'll be pulling off shortly. That pretty much rounds it down. We made it safely out of the back roads, you know. That's always the biggest thing when it comes to driving and everything, making it, you know, back home safe and everything. Car is in tip-top shape. Lip still sort of intact. I seriously have to get one. I know Christmas is coming up, so I will probably order one for Christmas, a little Christmas gift to myself. Every time I drive it, I fall more and more in love with the noises it makes, the power it has, the steering, everything about it. It's a very well planted car. I truly hope to bring out more content like the POV drives. If you guys do like it, do let me know down below in the comments where I should tackle on, what location I should go to. But that being said, brakes still have plenty of life, so we're probably gonna hit another canyon run soon or back road run soon. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Huge shout out to all of you guys showing love, showing support. But other than that, we are wrapping down the video, closing out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and like always, you guys, keep it authentic. Till the next one, peace.